From a solution containing milk and water in the ratio of 9:7, what fraction must be removed and replaced with water to get a resultant mixture of 1:1 milk and water? So let me say that I've got a milk and water solution over here, which is X liters. Now solution is X liters. So how much will be the quantity of milk in this? This is going to be 9/16 of X. And how much will be the quantity of water in this? The quantity of water is going to be 7/16 of X. Now what fraction must be removed? Suppose I remove Y liters from this and replace with water. That means I will add again Y liters of water to this, Y liters of water to this to get the final mixture. Now the final mixture quantity will still be X. Try and understand, if I remove 10 liters and add 10 liters, my final quantity is going to be the same. So from 100 liters, if I remove 10 liters and I add 10 liters again, the final quantity, final total quantity is going to remain the same, which will be X. And that contains 1:1 milk and water. So what will be the quantity of milk over here? 1/2 of X. And what will be the quantity of water over here? 1/2 of X again. Now understand this thing. I'm adding water. So first time I'm removing the quantity from the solution. So I will be changing the quantity of water. And then when I'm adding water again, I'm going to change the quantity of water. So rather than concentrating on the quantity of water, let me concentrate on the quantity of milk, because it will be disturbed only when you are removing something. When you are adding water, your quantity of milk is not going to be disturbed, right? So you are removing Y parts out of X. So what fraction are you removing? You are removing Y by X. So what will you be left with? When you remove 10% of the overall solution, you remove 10% of the ingredient. This is just an example I'm telling you. So if you're removing Y by X of the overall mixture, you will be removing Y by X of every constituent. So constituent was milk and water. So what can I say about milk? It should be, the leftover quantity should be 1 minus Y by X. Remember, Y by X of 9/16X was removed. So the leftover quantity will be what? 1 minus Y by X of 9/16 of X. This should be the quantity of milk in the final mixture, because addition of water is not going to change the quantity of milk. What is the quantity of milk in the final mixture? Half of X. So I can simply put that value of half of X over here. X will get cancelled out. This will get me 8. So 1 minus of Y by X is going to be equal to 8/9. So Y by X will be equal to 1/9. So what was the question asking you? What fraction must be removed and replaced? So what fraction am I removing? I'm removing Y part out of a total of X. So Y by X is equal to 1/9. That's going to be the answer for your question.